we got a bag of trash here. This recycling bin that we found blasted apart. And then another bag of trash that we collected earlier. All this after our ride home. I'm gonna close it up and get on out of here and head home. A couple more bags, starting the cycle over. Saturday. It was supposed to be a rainy, terribly stormy Saturday, and it turned out the rain was early, so we're gonna get out and clean up some of this crap we saw yesterday and head back over to my favorite dumping spot. We got all this while picking up after my mountain bike ride. So we got a bunch of plastic. This bag is like some cushions in it, a couple other trash bags and some cans. So we're just gonna circle around down this way. Camera on the roof. I think somebody's gonna notice it and snag it here. So let's just walk and pick up some, and I'll update you in a bit. This is a lovely little section along this fence. Let's clean this up. All right, so in that little area, we got a bucket, mostly plastic trash and other crap, and there's some cans in the bottom of this, unfortunately, with this sludge water. So let me dump that in here. Maybe actually. Outside of Patapsco Bicycles, did a little cleanup here as there's some gusts picking up, so maybe it'll still be windy today. We just cleaned up down the intersection, got about another bucket of trash. But yeah, if you guys need bikes serviced or looking for a bike, check this shop out in Elkridge. Patapsco Bicycles, my guy I've known a long time owns it, so there's a little plug for you, Donald. All right, let's move on up and get out of this high congestion area. Check out that homemade pergola. Don't know how I feel about that. All right, let's move on up. All right, back towards Furnace and the three-way up there. That's always a trashed up mess. So there's some little bit of trash back this way. I'm gonna go grab, and then I'll circle around and head back up that way and move my vehicle up there. So clearly somebody enjoys their E&J Brandy far too much. And I guess I'll probably recycle those since there's a decent pile. Don't really know. Okay, we're just starting our little pile here. It's plastic wrap from yesterday. or smashed recycling bin, and bag of foam cushions, 2 bags of trash. So we're gonna go down this road, probably to that guardrail, that second guardrail, and then we're gonna go up this road. So let me get my time lapse set up, put it on top of this pole here. All right, we got a couple buckets to drop off here. We'll relocate further up the hill, so see you in a bit. All right, so this is where I found those 76 tires on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, I think it was 2019. Yeah, it was right before COVID, so up that hill. But there's something there. Probably nothing, I just want to go check it out. But we got a bag and some change on this side. It's a bunch of trash that way I still gotta get. But let's walk up this hill and see what we got first. Probably nothing, but could be something. Yeah, there's something here. Oh shit, what is that? This is like a popular dumping ground for some reason. You know, people drive out here and dump stuff. Carpet maybe, television. I don't understand. You drive all the way out here to dump stuff, but you could just set it outside of your house and the county would come pick it up for you. How crazy is that? Seems like a lot of effort to come out here and do it, right? Verizon optical network terminal box, ONT. I only know it because I got one of these in my garage. So clearly this doesn't belong here. Let's drag this down. The problem is, how much cable is there and what's it attached to? Is it attached to something that's stronger than I can pull? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Does not seem to be so today. Let's get this bag as well. There's a lot of sheets of tempered glass for like an entertainment center, and some carpet. But for now, let's just drag this stuff down. I don't know what I'll do with this, but maybe I'll see if those guys will take it at the recycling facility. Again, who drives all the way back here to dump stuff? Crazy, huh? This bag is shredded, so we can't use it. Alright, we want to go down a little bit further, so let's pack up. I must have cleaned this road freaking 25 times. It's crazy. I've lost track of how many times I've picked up trash along this stretch. yet the trash never ends, because as soon as I pick it up, some S-bag comes behind and just chucks more of their stuff out of the window, which is just special. Oh man, look at this. Nice. Yeah, so why? Why even bother? I don't know. Don't know what to say. It's about 5:30. We left the house about 3:30 maybe, so 3:15ish. I'll post the camera up in a tree, get some time lapse in. Look at this, I'm already full of a bucket again. All this stuff's fresh, man. All these half-consumed beverages. That's like the thing that gets me, these plastic bottles. It's like, why do you put a beverage in this when they virtually never break down, but you only use it for 5 minutes and then it just lasts forever? Crazy, right? WTF, mate. Why not pick something else that like breaks down once the seal's cracked? That's an idea. All right, let me cross the road in a bit, post the camera up somewhere, get a time lapse so I don't have to talk your guys' ear off. Looks like rain over there. Okay, so once again we've got overflowing buckets always. This is a plunger head, which very strange find. So I guess we'll carry this back to the car, the truck, and then call it a day. We'll just go dump all this stuff down at the bottom, combine it into those bags at the bottom. Yeah, this plastic like underneath. That's the problem. All the cans have been buried. There's just so many leaves and vegetation coming up. All this invasive stuff here, this green stuff, I forget what it's called, lesser celandine or whatever. I don't know. I'll butcher it if I try to pronounce it. So invasive green stuff. I'm sure many upstanding citizens travel this road and do not throw their trash out of their car, right? Right? Yeah, not. All right, let's take this back to the truck. Okay, looks like the rain's coming and we're finished up. It's about 6 o'clock, so we got whatever this Verizon thing, I'm gonna leave it here, this destroyed recycling bin, a roll of plastic, and then 3 bags of trash that I collected, and then this foam cushion thing and the bumper. So not the bumper, the wheel cover. So all for now. We got a half a sack of cans, bunch of glass, some cardboard to take home, and oh boy, it'll be clean for a day. Till next time.